Today I am going to explain about section formula. Section formula. This is A, this is B. Divide the point Px comma y. Here A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2. B is x2 y2. Divide in the ratio m1 is to m2. m1 is to m2. Now P, so A x1 y1, B x2 y2 divides the point Px comma y in the ratio of m1 is to m2. m1 is to m2. Now the m1 is to m2 dividing the point Px comma y equal to m1 x2 m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is section formula. Once again see the formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. So the P is here. A and B joining the points. P is internally divides the point. Where the P is internally divides the point. For example, if you take one example, example 1, A, B. A and B are 2 points. 1 comma 2, 3 comma 4. 2 points. Dividing the ratio P. 2 is to 3 ratio. The point will be divided. So we are going to find the points of Px comma y. So this is m1, this is m2. Now here A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Now m1 Px comma y equal to Px comma y equal to m1 x2 m1 x2. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1 by m plus n. 2 plus 3. This is x coordinate. Then y coordinate. m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. m1 2 into m1 y2 4 plus m2 3 into 2, 3 into 2 means m2 y1 by divided by m1 plus m2. m1 is 2, m2 is 3. 2 plus 3. Now if you simplify this, 2 3s are Px comma y equal to Px comma y equal to 2 3s are 6 plus 3 1s are 3 by 2 plus 3 5 comma 2 4s are 8 plus 3 2s are 6 by 2 plus 3 5. That equal to 9 by 5 14 by 14 by 5. This is the P internally divides the point. P internally divides the point. What is the section formula? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Now m1 y coordinate is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. Now if we go for exercise 7.2, first sum. What they given? Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment A, B. A is minus 1 comma 7. A is minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3. B is 4 comma minus 3 and then the ratio is 2 is to 3. We want to find Px comma y. See what the A value given? A is -1 comma 7 and B is 4 comma -3, and it divides the ratio Px comma y in the ratio of 2:3 internally divides. Internally, that means in between A and B, P is inside A and B. So this is M1, this is M2, this is X1, this is Y1, this is X2 and Y2. Now Px comma y equal to, I am going to write the formula once again. M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2, M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. Now that equal to M1 X2, 2 into 4 plus 3 into X1. X1 is -1 divided by 2 plus 3, comma M1 Y2. M1 is 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7. 3 into 7 by 2 plus 3. Now 2 4s are 8, -3 by 5. 2 3s are -6 plus 2 3 7s are 21 by 5. Now 8 minus 3, 5 by 5. 21 minus 6, 15 by 5. Now any cancellation, 5 ones are 1 comma 5 ones are 3. Now Px comma y equal to 1:3. P 1:3. This is first question. And if you go for second question, means in this second question what they are asking, trisection. Trisection means there are two cases to record. Trisection means trisection. Now second question, trisection. Trisection means 1:2 or 2:1. Two cases we want to find out. Now this is A, this is B. Then A coordinates are 4 comma -1. B coordinates are -2 comma -3. -2 comma -3. Now it is P 1:2. First case, case 1. Case 1 we are going to find out P x comma y. Now this is M1, this is M2, X1 Y1, and here X2 Y2. M1 X2 Px comma y equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2, M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. This is section formula. This is section formula. Internally divides the ratio 1:2. Now 1 into M1 X2 minus 2 plus 2 into X1 4 by 1 plus 2. Now M1 Y2 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 by M1 plus M2 1 plus 2, that equal to minus 2. 2 4s are 8 by 3 minus 3 plus into minus 3 plus into 1s are 2 by 1 plus 2 3, that equal to 8 plus 2 6 by 3, then minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 by 3, that equal to 3 ones are 2 comma minus 5 by 3. This is P x comma y. This is case 1. This is case 1. Now we go for case 2. What is case 2? This is A, B. A, B are same points. A, B are same points. 4 comma minus 1 and B is minus 2 comma minus 3, and it divides the ratio Q. Q A comma B we take like this. Now here 2, 1. Here 2 and 1. This is M1. This is M2. This is X1, Y1, and this is X2, Y2. Now this is Q A comma B equal to M1 X2. 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1. M1 x by 2. 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Now 2 2s are minus 4 plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4 plus 4 1 4s are 4 by 3. Now here minus 6 plus into minus minus 6 plus into minus 1 1s are 1 by 3, that equal to plus 4 minus 4 0 by 3 minus 7 by 3. Now Q A comma B equal to Q A comma B equal to 0 by 3 0 comma minus 7 by 3. This is the two cases trisection. Trisection means 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 1. Two cases we have to find. That means P x comma y and Q another point in the ratio 2 is to 1. Two cases we have to find. This is the second sum. Now read the third question. If you read third question means there are two students are there. They posted the flags. Two students are there. You can see a diagram. They given A, B, and here D. Here 10 parts they divide like this. AD is 100. AD equal to 100. Now here also the divide some parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. 10 parts they divided like this. Now here first question is AD equal to, this is question number 3. AD equal to what is that? AD equal to 100 flower parts. AD equal to how many 100 parts? That means AD distance is 100. Now here Niharika is a girl posted a green flag. Where she posted green flag, she posted a green flag. Now what are the coordinates of G? G equal to x-axis 2 and 1 by 4th of AD. How the given green flag made the post? 1 by 4th of AD. That equal to 2 comma 1 by 4 of AD means 100. That equal to 2 comma 100 by 4. 4 ones 425. 2 comma 25. This is G coordinates. This is the G coordinates. Next, one more Preet is posted another flag, red flag. Where she posted red flag she posted. The coordinates of red are 8 and 1 by 5 AD. 1 by 5 of AD. That means 8 comma 1 by 5 into AD. Total AD distance is 100. Now 8 comma 100 by 5. Now 8 5 ones 520s. So the red coordinates are 8 comma 20. See, green coordinates are 2 comma 25. Now what they are asking in the question, find the distance between the two flags. Now GR equal to, what is the formula? GR equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now x2 minus x1, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Square root of x2 8 minus 2 whole square plus 20 minus 25, that equal to 8 minus 2 6 square plus minus 5 whole square, that equal to square root of 6 square 36 plus minus 5 whole square, minus 5 into minus 5 minus into minus plus 5 is 25, that equal to square root of 3 plus 2 5 root of 61 units. This is the distance between the two is. Now one more question they are asking. What the blue flag in between the G and R, she posted a blue flag. Where she posted the blue flag? For that we want to find the midpoint formula. Midpoint equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Midpoint formula. Midpoint of green and red. What is the blue? Midpoint of red formula. B equal to, the coordinates of B is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. What is x1 here? 2 plus 8 by 2, comma 25 plus 20 by 2. Now blue equal to blue flag. Blue flag equal to 8 plus 2 10 by 2, comma 45 by 2, that equal to 5, comma 22.5. Now where we can post a blue flag? 5 distance. Where you can 5 fifth meter, and then the distance of how many? 1 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100. Now fifth, this is blue flag. Where you can post here? 45 means 22.5. Here 20. Here the blue flag will be posted. The distance is blue flag. So fifth meter at the distance of 22.5, the blue flag is posted. So this is the third question. So once you can see, what is the AD? How can you find out the coordinates of G and R? So this is given. AD distance is 100 they given. Second place, and then the distance of 1 by 4th of AD. 1 by 4th of AD means 1 by 4 into half stands for multiplication. 1 by 4th of AD means 1 by 4 into 25. That is 1 by 4 into 100. 4 ones 425. So 2 comma 25 are the coordinates of the G. Similarly, the red flag coordinates are 8 comma 1 by 5 of AD. 1 by 5 of AD means 8 comma 1 by 5 of 100. So 8 comma 100 by 5. 5 ones 5. 8 comma 20 is the coordinates of R. Now GR midpoint is GR distance. They are asking GR distance root 61 units, and GR midpoint blue. So where the blue flag will be posted here in between G and R. So blue flag equal to, so that is midpoint of these 2 points G and R. So what is the formula for midpoint? X1 plus x2 by 2 fifth place and the distance of 22.5, a blue flag will be posted. So this is the third question. So what is the midpoint formula? X1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? X1 plus x2 by 2 and then y1 plus y2 by 2. What is the section formula? What is the section formula? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now come to the fourth question. Fourth question. What are given? Find the ratio they are asking. We want to find the ratio. They given A and B given. They are asking ratio. A. What is the A given? Find the ratio between right segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10, 6 comma minus 8, 6 comma minus 8 divided by, they given dividing point also they given. What is the point here? Minus 1 comma 6. Ratio we don't know. M1 M2 ratio we don't know. Now same we can apply the section formula. What is section formula? Px comma y equal to m1 x2 m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is section formula, and here A also given, B also given, and the dividing point P also given. Previous 1 and 2 sums what we found, P only we found, but in this sum what they given, P given and ratio not given. So we are going to find out ratio. So Px comma y equal to m1. Px comma y already they given. What is that? Minus 1 comma 6 equal to m1 x2 into 6 plus m2 x1 m2 into minus 3 by m1 plus m2 comma y coordinate m1 y2 m1 into minus 8 plus m2 into m2 into y1 10 by m1 plus m2. Now any one value can be equalized, x value or y coordinate. So I am taking minus 1 equal to, if you take the minus 1 into x value also equalized or 6 equal to this value also equalized, we get the same ratio and the same answer. Minus 1 equal to 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2. Now cross multiply. Minus 1 means by 1. Minus 1 into m1 plus m2 equal to cross multiplication. 1 into 6m1 minus 3m2 3m2. This divided by value already sent here. Now multiply means minus 1 belongs to this 2. Minus 1 into m minus m1 plus into minus 1 into m2 equal to 1 into 6 m1 minus 3 minus plus into minus 3m2. Now all m1 values one side, m2 values one side, big side. Here minus m1 is there. So plus 6m1 side this side. So plus 6m will transport this side means what will happen? Minus 6m1 equal to, already m1 side this side, what remaining value what is that? Minus 3m2. Then this side what the value is there? Plus m2 transpose that side. Plus m2 transpose that means what will happen? Plus m2 plus m2. Now you can simplify this one. Here 1 minus 1 plus 6 minus 7 m1 equal to 3 minus 2. So minus 3 plus 1. So minus m2. Now minus minus cancel. Now m1 is to take this side by m2 equal to already 2 is there. This 7 transpose that side. So m1 by m2 equal to 2 is to 7 or 2 by 7 or 2 is to 7. So here A given, B given and section formula T also given here. They given minus 1 comma 6. So what we are going to find out? Yes, ratio we don't know. That ratio will be taken as m1 is to m2. Now we apply the section formula. Then what we get? m1 by m2 equal to 2 is to 7. m1 is to m2 equal to 2 is to 7. Now what is midpoint? What is the formula for midpoint? What is the midpoint? A x1 y1, B x2 y2, B x2 y2. Then AB midpoint. So I will explain that once again that one. So one more. See question number. So what is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now here a point on x-axis. Question number 5. Question number 5. Here also what they are asking? Find the ratio they are asking. Find the ratio. AB they given. They given AB. What is A? 1 comma minus 5. A is 1 comma minus 5. B is minus 4 comma 5. B is minus 4 comma 5. They are asking find the ratio. So here P x comma 0. How x comma 0? A point. Here they given the clue. A point on x-axis is x comma 0. Here a point on x-axis means y value will be 0. A point on x-axis means x comma 0. Suppose a point on y-axis means 0 comma y. 0 comma y. Here the given the relation what the clue given for us. Find the ratio which the right segment joining A and B is divided on x-axis. So Px comma 0 and like previous problem m1 is to m2. Ratio also m1 is to m2. Now I am going to write section formula. Px comma y equal to what is the section formula? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is section formula. Now already what we given? X comma 0 equal to m1 x2 m1 into minus 4. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So this is x1 and y1. This is x2 y2 we are taking. Now m1 x2 plus m2 x1 m2 into minus 5 by m1 plus m2. We don't know m1 plus m2. Now y coordinate m1 y2 m1 into y2 5 plus m2 y1. So m2 into y1 is minus 5 divided by m1 plus m2. Now we are going to compare with the x value, y value. First coordinate is abscissa or x value. Px comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now m1 x2 m1 into minus 4 m2 here m2 into x1 x2 minus 4, m1 into minus m2 into x1. So this is 1 by m1 plus m2, m1 by 2, m1 into 5 plus m2 into y1, m1 into m2 into minus 5 by m plus m. So here x comma 0 is there. So we can compare x value to x value, y value to y value. So here 0 equal to 5m1 plus into minus 5m2 by m1 plus m2. Now 0 send this side means 0 into m1 plus m2 equal to 5m1 minus 5m2. 0 into something, 0 equal to 5m1 minus 5m2. Now this m2 send this side. Now what will happen? Minus 5 send this side means 5, 0 plus 5m2 equal to 5m1. Now 5 plus 0, 5m2 equal to 5m1. Now m1 divided by this m2 send this side. Already 5 is there. This 5 take this side. So 5 into coming this side means divide. 5 ones. So 1 by 1 equal to m1 by m2. Or m1 by m2 equal to 1 by 1 or 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1. In this question also they are asking also find the point of intersection. So point of intersection we want to find. So here m1 what is that? 1. m2 is also 1. Then we got the answer. Now that value will be substituted in the equation. Now after here, now p x comma 0 equal to m1 x2 1 into minus 4 plus m2 x1 1 into 1 by 1 plus 1 m1 by 2 1 into 5 plus 1 into minus 5 by 1 plus 1. That equal to plus into minus 1 fours are 4 plus into plus 1 ones are 1 by 1 plus 1 2. This is important. 5 ones are 5 plus into minus 1 fives are 5 by 2. Now here simplify means minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 by 2 5 minus 5 0 by 2. That equal to minus 3 by 2 comma 0 by 2 means 0. So this is the px comma 0 equal to, they are asking point of intersection. What is the ratio taken here? 1 is to 1. By applying finding m1 m2, that m1 m2 values can be substituted in this one section formula. We get the px comma 0 equal to minus 3 by 2 comma